Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk about how you customize the Office applications that you want. So by default, when you install Microsoft Office, all the apps will be installed. But in here, you can customize such as you want to only install Microsoft Word and Excel. You need these two things. The first one is the Office customization tool, and second one will be the Office deployment tool. So let's go to the customization tool. Basically, this tool will generate the XML file that you will need to import later when you install Microsoft Office. Let's select the options here. Architecture, most of the computers nowadays is 64 bits. And then the Office suites, here you are going to choose the suitable license for you, which means that depending on the license that you purchase, you will select the edition of the Microsoft Office from here. So let's take one example. Let's say this one, LTSC 2021. And then Visio is the flowchart and diagram tools if you need that. And then Microsoft Projects is the one for project management tool if you need that. Additional products, language, and so on. Just leave all these to the default. Let's go to the bottom here. Now this is the important part. You are going to customize it in here. So what I like to do is I want to streamline the Office installation. So I will uncheck all these things, leaving only Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, and Word. Okay, from here you are going to press next and then language. You select the language that you want, and then additional languages for grammar checks. You can select as well. And then we are going to press next. Installation. Normally we'll choose the first one, so leave it to the default, which means that Microsoft Office will be downloaded from Microsoft server, and then we'll just leave everything to the default, and then upgrade and update also will be delivered from Microsoft Network, unless you are in a corporate setting where you want to deploy your installer locally in the intranet of the corporate network. And then automatically check for update. I will turn this off so it does not disrupt my work. And then we'll leave everything to the default. And then next, license and activation, automatically accept license, so you don't need to press accept later on when installing it. Volume license, again, it depends on how you purchase your license. And then product activation, user base means it's for personal use, or shared computer means typically it's in a corporate setting where one license can be shared to many computers. And then press next here. We leave everything else to the default. And then application preferences, we don't need these as well. So press finish. At this point, we are going to press export. Okay, so for this one, I prefer to keep the current settings as well. Press OK and then accept, export, and it will export you a configuration.xml. That is your XML file. And then second, we are going to download this Office deployment tool. Then just press download. Keep it in the same folder. Okay, now these are the two files that we have downloaded. Put them in the same folder, the Office deployment tool and the configuration. And then we are going to unpack this one first. Alright, so this is the Office deployment tool. We are going to unpack it in the same folder as the configuration file. So file extracted successfully. And then we'll be going to this folder just now. Now these are all the files that we have. It comes with a default configuration here. You can open it if you want to see what is actually inside. Of course, what we want to do here is to customize the XML. So let's compare that to the XML that we created using the Microsoft tool just now. So here it is excluding the OneDrive, Outlook, and Publisher, leaving the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we are going to use this one. Okay, so from here you're going to access command prompt, and then very important, you must run it as administrator, otherwise the tool will not work. So you are going to go to that folder just now. So cd and then the folder just now, you can copy it from the address bar as well. Next is to do setup.exe/configure, put the configuration XML. Press enter. So now we are getting things ready. So you might encounter error if you don't run the command prompt without the administrator permission. So somehow it will just say configuration not found. So you need to run it with administrator. The Office is running in the background. So as we can see here, the Office apps that will be installed are according to our choice just now. So there are only 4. So now let's wait for this. Okay, now Office installation is finished. You can open the Office as usual. So now we already have Microsoft Word. Of course, you need to activate it separately according to your license. So now my account is just nothing. It is not activated yet. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.